You alone deserve the glory. You alone deserve the honor. Hi guys, it's your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring you this delicious homemade granola recipe. Granola is the best and healthiest breakfast ever. So family, let's get started. So in a bowl I add my rolled oats. You can choose to use any oats of your choice, but the rolled one is better. Then I added some salt to taste and then some cinnamon powder. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So over here I am adding some chopped nuts. So it's almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, pistachio and coal. So we stir, and then our dry ingredients is ready, so we will set it aside. And then to our wet ingredients I added a little coconut oil, some honey to taste, and then a bit of vanilla extract or essence. Okay, so we're gonna stir this together, and then we are gonna add it to our dried ingredients. Yes, and family, that is all. So we add this and then we stir it for it to incorporate into each other. Okay, so here we are. So whilst doing this, I have preheated my oven. So we're gonna spread our granola on the baking sheets. Please make sure you spread it evenly so some parts don't get burned. Okay, so I have preheated my oven to 160 degrees Celsius. So now we are gonna place this in the oven and allow it to bake for just 10 minutes. And then here we are after 10 minutes. So I took it out and then stir, and then I am adding my dried, diced or chopped coconuts. Okay, then I will be adding also my dried berries or raisins or cranberries. Yeah, so you add it and then you stir evenly, and then you put it in the oven again for extra 5 minutes. Yes, you can do this on the stove top, it's also very good, but I prefer the oven. And voila, just look at it. So after we take it from the oven, we allow it to cool down a bit, and then here we are, family. Our homemade granola is ready. So we just transfer it into this beautiful jar and we are good to go. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a dream of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. So now family, you can make your own granola at home. No need buying granola, okay? I make my own granola and my family, they really enjoy it. Yeah, so you take this as breakfast and you are good to go. You can use it for toppings, for your cakes and all that. I can eat it just like that, or I add some milk to it, and voila, my day is good. Just look at that, beautiful, delicious, healthy and nutritious. So just follow the step-by-step recipe and you are good to go. Thank you and see you guys. I love you. Bye bye.